Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topic, number properties of arithmetic. What is prime number? Prime number is a number that is divisible only by 1 and that number, which is called a prime number. Prime numbers are divisible by only two numbers. What? One is 1, another one is that number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. Like 23. We can only divide by 1 and that number, it means 23. Some important point. 1 is divisible by only one number, so it's not a prime number. Just previous slide we already know prime numbers are divisible by only two numbers, and this one only divisible by 1, so 1 is not a prime number. Second point, 2 is the only even prime number, also all other prime numbers are odd. Okay, suppose 4, 6, 8, everything is a composite number, but 2 is the only even prime number. Some question: what are the prime numbers from 1 to 100? 20, 25, 24 or 26. So first we have to find out 1 to 10, 1 to 100, all prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. Here is total 25. So what are the prime number from 1 to 100? It's a 25. So 25 is our right answer. What are the prime numbers between 20 and 100? So we've already known about 1 to 100. It's a 25. So 1 to 100 we know 25. So from here we will subtract 2, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, because our question is between 20 and 100 how many prime number we have. So here we will deduct 1 to 20. So between these, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 13, 17, 19 is a prime number. So after deduct this one, our answer will be 17. Okay, so right answer number A, 17. What is composite number? A number that is divisible by 1 and a number other than that number is called composite number. So what is this? Suppose 8. We can divide by 1. It's a 1. We can divide by that number, it means divide by 8. We also divide 8 by 2 and also 4. So 8 is a composite number. For example, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Which of the following number is prime? So look, 91 we can divide by 1, we can divide by 7, we can divide by 13, and also we can divide by 91. So 91 is a what? Composite number. It's not a prime number. Okay. Then 47. 47 we can divide only by 1 and 47. So 47 is our right answer. What about 143? 143 we can divide by 1, we can divide by 11, we can divide by 13, and also we can divide by 143. So 143 also a composite number. And finally, what about 87? 87 we can divide by 3, we can divide by 29, because 27 divide 3, it will be 29, and also we can divide by 1 and also 87. So 87 is a composite number. So our right answer is 47. Okay. Exclusive technique about how to find out prime number. A number is a composite if it's divisible by a prime number. Look, a number is a composite if it's divisible by a prime number smaller than the square root of the nearest whole number, and if not divisible, then the number is a prime number. Okay. So for example, determine whether the 127 is prime or composite. Look, so first point, 127 nearest perfect square. So 127 nearest perfect square is what? 121. It means 11 times 11 means 121, right? So 121 square root is 11. Now 1 to 11 smallest prime numbers are below 11 prime numbers are what? Like 3, like 5, like 7, right? So and so look, first of all, 127 first we divide by 11, it's not divisible by 11. What does mean? More clear, 127 once we divide by 11, here is 11, 121, and here is remainder 6. But is prime number will not any remainder, and prime number only can divide 1 and that number. It means 11. Now look, 127 divide 3, same 127 divide by 5, same thing, should become a remainder. Now 127 divided by 7, also same. It means 127 is a prime number. Okay, so next one, determine whether the number 87 is a prime or composite. So 87 nearest perfect square is 81, because 81, once you take root, we will get 9, right? Now look, if we divide 87 divide by 7, why 7? Because less than 9, prime number is 7, then 5, then 3. So 87, once we divided by 7, remainder will come. Then 87 divided by 5, remainder will come. And finally 87, once we divided by 3, it will be 29. Therefore 87 is not a prime number, it's a composite number. Okay, so right answer is composite number. Okay, hope you understand this one. So these 5 math we are trying to solve this video, and also we are discussing about prime and composite number, which is very important for in our practical life and also examination for academic, job and any admission test. So no more today. Next video we will discuss more about number properties. Till then, take practice at home. Best of luck.